Letters of the alphabet and sounds. A ant. B balloon. C candle. D duck. E eggplant. F feet. G goat. H hen. I iguana. J jacket. K kettle. L lump. M monkey. N net. O owl. P pencil. Q queen. R radio. S sailboat. T towel. U umbrella. V vest. W watch. X fox. Y yoga. Z zebra.